Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Soheb. So in this video, I will teach you how you can design your graphics with Crello.com. Crello.com is a nothing but online graphic designing software. So I will teach you how you can design your awesome graphic with Crello. So watch this video till the end so that you can get to know about Crello and you can learn something about Crello, how you can design graphics for your work, for your business, and maybe for your personal use. Okay, so but before I start this video, if you are new to this channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel also and hit the notification bell, so whenever I will reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. Hit the like button also so that I'll get some motivation. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, my dear friends, Crello is a graphic designing tool where you can design from the scratch or all your graphics, and as well as you can edit ready-made templates, you can creative assets, tutorials, like if you will go with tutorial options, so many more work you can do. You will find here so many ready-made templates, and some of these pro level and some of these are free, but still you can use if you want to use this tool for free, so you can use it, but you can do less work with free version. But if you want to go with professional level, so definitely you should purchase their pro plan. Okay, and you have some tutorial also, so that you can learn about graphic design and you can design your awesome graphics. Okay, and if you talk about some brand kits, so you have brand kits also, and whenever you will do some work here, so automatically your project will be saved in their project section. So if you want to find your all projects, so just you have to go to my projects and you can find it. So how you can start this tool? Just simply you have to type in Google Crello and then enter. You will enter in a Google dashboard, so you will find a first website, Crello.com. Just you have to click in that website. Okay, so now just you have to create your account. Simply you have to sign up yourself and then you can use it. Okay, but if you want to use their pro plan, so that you can use some awesome templates, awesome backgrounds and many more things, so just you have to go with their pre plan. So if you want to go with their pre plan, so just you can check their price also here. Just go to pricing section and now you can choose your plan. If you want to go with the starter plan, so you can choose your current plan, and if you want to go with pro plan, so just you can upgrade my plan. Okay, the whole starter pack plus 50 million plus creative assets to download without limit, team account, unlimited brand kit and unlimited storage. But in free plan you have a limit. Okay, so but I have an amazing deal for you. If you will go with their pro plan, so here you have to pay $10 monthly. But if you want to buy this tool with discountable price, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a leading digital marketing place for entrepreneurs, where you can find all type of digital tools for your business. You can automate your business with this tool. You can make easy your work with the help of these tools. So if you will buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace, so you will get this tool at just $67 for 1 year. Okay, after that you have to renewal your plan. Okay, but if you will buy this tool from here, so you have to pay monthly $10. It means $120 yearly you have to pay, right? But here you will get huge discount with $67. Just one time you have to pay, you can use it for yearly. Okay, and many more details they have also mentioned about this tool, how you can use it and how many features you will get with this tool. Okay, and also you will get 60 days money back guarantee with this tool. If after buying this tool, if you are not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund. And now if you are interested, so I have mentioned the link in my video description, so you can go through that link. So whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page. After coming this landing page, just you can buy your tool and you can access it. Okay, so now we will design our graphics with the help of this tool. Okay, now just I'll click on create. After that I'll log in my account. Okay, now I have logged in. So I want to make a thumbnail for my YouTube videos, so just I'll type thumbnail. So click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, if you want to use pre-built templates, so you can use all of these, and as well as you can edit some text, some footage, some images, some stuffs you can edit and you can use all of these. Okay, but here you can see they have an pro templates also here. So if you will use these, so you will get watermark without buying a pro plan. Okay, so now I will create my thumbnail from the scratch. So just click on blank YouTube thumbnail. Okay, next, cross. Got it. Okay, now we have entered in the artboard. So here what you will get in these sections, you have an templates, photos, okay, free and pro photos, okay, and you have an video option also, but video option, and you can use music also here. You can use music, and if you want to add some animations, so you have an animation also. Objects, you have a very good objects. If you want to add some backgrounds, so you can add background also, like if you want to edit this background in your thumbnail, so you can use it. Okay, if you want to add text, so here you can add text, brand kits, okay, all the brand kits also you have. My file, if you want to upload your own files, your own images, your own stuff, so you can, so simply you can upload them. So just you have to do upload image or videos. Now I'll go to PNGs, then I'll pick this one. Okay, now I got it here, so I can use it. Just drag and drop. Okay, and if I want to blur it, which this background I'm using, so just you have to click on this transparency and drag to the left side. Okay, so few more. Okay, now I'll stretch this image. Okay, then I can use it, but before that I'll use some objects also. Yeah, I'll use it first. Okay, okay, downside, upside. Okay, so now my image is coming under of this object, so I'll get it out my image. So just I'll click on this, bring to front. Okay, I got it. If I want to change the color of this this object, so I can change that. I'll change that in a blue. Okay, and what else I can do? Now I'll use this plane shape. Okay, so drag. Okay, yeah, so now I'll pick the color. Done. So again I'll take a shape and I'll stretch some that. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll add some text. So I'll go to text, add text. Now I'll write Crello review. Okay, and I'll add a I want to use different fonts in this text. Okay, I'll click on fonts, then I'll pick this one. Okay, this is not good. I'll use this one. Not this one is also good. Okay, I'll use Alice. Yeah, I can use Alice, so I'll use it. Okay, do some bold. Okay, I want to change the color of this shape. I'll use yellow color. Then I'll decrease the size of this text. Okay, Crello reviews, not reviews, just say review. Crello review. Okay, and now what I will do, I'll add here Crello image. So for that, what I'll do, just I'll go to Google and I'll type Crello, backspace, enter, then go to images. Okay, so which one I can pick? Okay, this one. Just I'll click on right side mouse and just click on save image as PNG, save. Okay, so now go to again your artboard and drag it, drop it. Now you can use it for your work. Okay, and one more text, how to make thumbnail with Crello, and decrease the size 128 to 60. Okay, that is good. Decrease the size, change the font, and use the object which is okay, this one I'll use. Yeah, drag it and move to the first of all I'll change the color black and move to background. Okay, now I'll change now I will change color of the text. I'll pick the orange color. How to make thumbnail with Crello. So now my thumbnail is ready. So I want to export my thumbnail. So just click on download, and if you want to download in JPG file, so you can download it. If you want PNG transparent, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4, GIF, you can use it. So now I'll click on download. Okay, now my file is downloaded here. Now I'll open it. Okay, so my thumbnail is ready now. So this is how you can easily create your thumbnail, your Facebook post, for your Instagram, for your any kind of way you can create your graphics. Okay, all the elements you have in object section, you can use ottoman, shapes, plastic films, jack royals, social media, masks, shadows, lines, arrows, gradients, frames, collages, charts, web element, icons, 90s, labels, banners, emoji and reactions, brush stroke, print and paper, electronic, food. So many options you have. Okay, so you can create your awesome graphic, but you will go with the pro plan. So you will found some premium tools, some premium elements in this tool. Okay, so like in, if we will go in video section, so you can use so many for market your business. Okay, and now I'll go to again home page. So here you will find your recent designs, feature template, newest podcast cover. If you are a podcaster, so you can create your podcast cover also. You can create your awesome Instagram posts, you can create a square video post, Facebook post you can create here, Instagram video story you can create. Okay, and also you can create Instagram story video full HD. Okay, you can design your posters, you can create thumbnails, square graphic post, Facebook cover, YouTube channel art, Pinterest graphic, logo, Instagram ad, Facebook ad, Twitter post, blog header, flare, Tumblr graphic, Facebook cover, Facebook video cover, animated logo, ebook, Facebook event cover. So many things you can find here. Okay, if you want to create invitation card, blog banner, presentation, A4. Okay, A4 type banners if you want to create, so you can create business card you can make here. Okay, all your presentation cards you can create, postcard, simple card you can create. Okay, brochures, infographic, gift certificate, many more options you have. Okay, so you can use all these options and you can create awesome graphics for yourself. Okay, as I have created this thumbnail for my video. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. I have tried to cover in depth about this tool, but if I left something, so let me know in the comment box. I will cover some point more about this tool if I know them. But please excuse me if I'm mistaking in my English communication, because I'm not familiar with English, but still I'm learning and I'm trying to speak with you in English language, so that I can give you more and more value with English. Because if I talk to you in my mother tongue language, so you can't understand what I'm saying to you, what I want to explain to you. So that's why I'm speaking in English. But still I'm trying my best so that I can give you value. So if you found this video helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button also, and press the notification bell, so that whenever I will reveal my new SaaS review video about some digital tools, so you will get a notification. Okay, so thanks for watching this. I'll see you soon in another one with new tutorial, new concept. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself, guys.